This is how you can set reminders on your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is find the Reminders app. It's right here on mine. If you don't find it on your home screen, just tap on search down here to open the Spotlight search. Start typing in reminders and you'll see the app appearing. Tap on it to open it. You'll see some information about your reminders up here. I have one or two of them set and it shows various numbers in here. Yours might have all zeros. Down here we have my lists. I have a reminders list, a daily and a weekly list. The daily and weekly I created myself, and the reminders I believe is there by default. To add a new reminder, whether you have any of this stuff on your screen or not, just tap this little plus in the bottom right. Give it a name. I'm going to call mine Water Plants because if I don't have a reminder for this, my plants are going to die. Under Notes, you can have notes about this reminder to give more information about it if needed. You can also add a URL to go to a specific website or get more information from our website. You can add a date for your reminder. So I'm going to have mine just set to today. You can also have it set to every day and all that, and I'll show you how. You can add a time. This means this reminder or this thing you have to do or be reminded of has to happen at a specific time. You can choose that here. You can add a time zone. Time zones from all over the world. Just start typing in your time zone and pick the correct time zone so the reminder goes off at the correct time. You can set this to be urgent. That means you'll get an alarm on your phone. And for that, you have to have a date and a time selected. So this alarm is going to go today at 7 a.m. You can have this repeated. So even though I said today, if we choose repeat like daily, it's going to go every day or every hour, every weekday, every weekend, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. You get the idea. You also choose custom, which allows you to pick the frequency, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and choose how many of those will happen. So if frequency is daily, and you choose every one here, that means every day it'll happen. If you make this a 2, it'll be every second day. Make it a 3, every third day. Likewise, it'd be every third hour or every third week. You get the idea. So choose on which schedule you want the alarm to happen. You can have the repeat ended either never or on a specific date. And down here we have more options. You can choose which list this will go onto. I've got those 3 lists that you saw earlier. I'm going to put it on the reminders list. Under details, you can choose early reminder, which means that you get a notification before the reminder happens. Maybe you have to travel somewhere for this reminder or get ready to call someone. You can choose to have or to be notified before it happens. You can also add tags to organize your reminder if you wanted to. If you have lots of reminders, maybe you have a bunch of reminders related to dogs and your pets and your neighbor's dogs. You could have specific tags for each one so you can organize them better. You can flag it, which means it'll be higher priority. You can even set priority to high. There's lots of options for reminders. You can also share location. You can also have a reminder pop up when messaging, and you choose a specific person from your contact list. So when you're messaging a specific person, you'll get this reminder, which is actually pretty cool. Because if you're messaging Bob and a week ago you remember that you had to tell Bob about something, but you don't want to do it right now, you want to do it the next time you talk to him, when you open the messaging app and you start typing to Bob, you're going to get the reminder. That's pretty cool. You can add an image, you can take a photo, scan a document from your photo library. I'm just going to keep all these settings as they are and tap on this check mark up here to create the reminder. Now we have under reminders, we have a 1. There's our watering plants. It happens today at 7. It's going to repeat daily, and there's an alarm, and the flag shows it as higher priority, and so do those exclamation marks. And when I tap down here, I can just type in a new reminder. You don't have to go through that whole process every time. And what's also handy about reminders is if you have a whole list here, like say you had a list of all your plants or something that you wanted to water, you can tap this little box beside it right there to show that you've completed it. And now this switched to tomorrow at 7 because you've done the work for today. See if I can tap that again. And I can. And now it shows the date of when you have to do it next. So not only will reminders remind you of what to do, it's like a checklist of things you can check off. This becomes super useful for things like shopping lists because you can have your shopping list itemized in here, and then you just tick this little radio button or this little checkbox, and then it'll be checked off on your list. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. I know it sounds silly, but it's an important thing to do from time to time. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.